Hey, Gary Baker here with 30 Minute Marketing. The big secret that most videos like this will tell you about how to start affiliate marketing is to find a marketplace, find a product, get your affiliate link, and start promoting that product and start making money. Now, a quick Google search for affiliate marketplaces will show you tons of affiliate marketplaces, to include probably the most well known by people out there and the one you see most referred to in, again, videos like this about affiliate marketing, how to get started. And that marketplace is ClickBank. And they'll tell you the secret is to go here, find a high converting offer in a specific category, because a category is a niche and you need a niche. And then once you find your niche, you grab your affiliate link here by clicking the promote button, create your hop link, copy that hop link, and start pasting that hop link or that affiliate link around the internet, or sharing it with people you know, because this is a product that you believe in or that you think is going to make you a lot of money. But here in this video, I'm going to reveal the secret right now. And the secret is to solve a problem. Now, let me give you a real world example. Over at my YouTube channel, Publisher Report, here is a video I created, fast and easy way to create low content books. And in this video is a solution to a problem, a fast and easy way to create low content books for people that want to know how to create low content books. And then in the description, I present a free guide. And in this free guide, I let people know that you're going to want to read every word of the special report. And then I provide a link. That link takes them over to a beginner's guide where I give them more valuable information to help them solve their problem. And this problem is how to build your own money-making self-publishing business. Remember here, the secret is to solve a problem. Solve a problem for a group of people that have the same problem that you create content for, like you just saw over on my YouTube channel. That allows you to do affiliate marketing where you use the internet and you find your audience, you provide an affiliate link, and they click that link, they go over to the affiliate offer page, they click the buy now button, they make a purchase, and you earn a commission. But there is a second part to the secret. After you solve the problem, you need to do what is called the follow-up. And the follow-up is this. Your audience is on the internet. You're going to send them to a landing or squeeze page, and you're going to have them opt in for a thing that solves their problem. And then you're going to add them to your email list. And then after they opt into your email list, you are going to follow up with more content, with more affiliate links. Again, you are going to follow up with more content, with more affiliate links to get a chance to earn more sales, where your audience will make a purchase and you will earn a commission. So again, the two big secrets to affiliate marketing and how to get started is to solve a problem and the follow-up. And that happens, and you can get started for free by simply starting to create content on the internet to find your audience, get them over to a landing page or a squeeze page, and have them opt into your email list, and then again follow up with more content and affiliate links. And also here on this landing page or squeeze page, you can have what is referred to as a redirect, which takes them over to the sales page where you get a chance to earn a commission when they make a purchase on the affiliate offer that you've linked to on your landing page or squeeze page. And that offer, of course, comes from a marketplace like ClickBank or the one that I currently use, Warrior Plus. And putting all the parts together to allow the people on the internet, your audience, to find your landing page or squeeze page with that report or that thing that solves a problem. So they'll get on your email list, and then you can redirect them over to the affiliate offer sales page. And then once they're on your email list, you can follow up with more content, with more affiliate links to get more chances for them to make a purchase, for you to earn a commission. And the way to get started with affiliate marketing is to first find a problem and solve a problem. And then add in the follow-up. And the follow-up happens in this diagram. And if you'd like to see how this diagram works and how to actually get started for free with a landing page and building an email list so you can follow up and help solve a problem for your audience on the internet, go ahead and click on the video you see on the screen right now. I look forward to seeing that video and solving another problem for you. So go ahead, click the video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.